Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. This video will be showing me do my goddess box braids crochet style. The hair I bought and used is from AliExpress. I'll have a link to the hair in the description, and more information about the hair will be given in the video. And do enjoy the video as I get started. So my hair is all braided down, and this is the hair I'll be using. I bought this hair from AliExpress. It's actually the Beyond Beauty store. I've used hair from that store before. I've used Spring Twist hair from their store. I've used some Goddess Locks hair from their store. So it's a really good store. They do have a store on Amazon too. Most of the hair I've used from their store was gotten from Amazon, but this time around I just chose to buy from AliExpress because, well, it's cheaper. So it's a Goddess box braids kind of hair. There's 24 in a pack. Now the length, is it 20 inches or 24 inches? I've forgotten. I bought the hair from AliExpress. It's a pack of 6. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, this 5 and 6. And the color, I think it's still 1B27. It's ombre. The hair is really long. Like, it is really long. Like, it is so long. It's just that long. So I'll be starting now. And I also think I do have some pieces of this hair. The free dress go-go curl. I'm not decided yet. I might stick bits of this here and there in the hair when I get started, but I'm just gonna start installing this on my hair now. And the price point, the hair is actually less than $40. It's about, I think it's like $37 or thereabout. And I got the hair because I chose the option of having it shipped from within the United States. So I received this hair in about 5 days or thereabouts. So let me just get started. Now I just put one bag in. Here it is, one bag. And I'm going to go ahead now and open the second bag. And now I have 2 bags in. Here it is. 2 bags. And 1, 2, 4 more bags to go. And now I do have 4 bags in, and because this hair is really going a long way, it is really going a long way. You can see all of the back is covered, like it's all covered up. I do have a feeling that I'm not going to go into the 6th bag. I'm probably just going to use 5 bags because I only have my part area and this so I'm probably going to use just maybe, let me see, this one will probably take 7, 7 here, 7 7 7 7 7, that'll be 21, and 3 more. I'm definitely not going into the 6th bag, so let me just open the 5th bag and kind of finish up the style. So far I'm loving this air, and it is not heavy at all. It is so not heavy, which is a good thing. So I'm just gonna continue. Let's see. Yep, I need to put like 2 more in here. Okay. Now I was right about me not using all 6 bags because I'm just finishing up now with the 5th bag. I want to just 2 more pieces of braids to stick in. That's supposed to be the second to the last one, and this one right here. Okay. Oh, the way my left hand goes. Okay. Then what was it? Okay. So yeah, there it is now. I am all done. 5 bags, 5 bags. This is the last bag, which I'm yet to open, and I'm not gonna open. Now this air, given the texture of this air, this seems of really good quality. I have a feeling I'm gonna use this air again. Like I'm gonna take it out when I'm ready to take it out, and then just keep it, wash it, and reuse it. So this is the air, all 5 bags in. It doesn't feel heavy. It doesn't feel heavy because most of it in our crochet air tends to be heavy, but this one is not heavy. So that's the first plus I'm going to give this air. Now the next plus will be the longevity. I hope it does not freeze. I hope this style lasts. It had better last because my life is busy right now. I need to keep this in for at least a month. So 5 bags in. This is the 6th bag. I like this air. So, and on the final thought too, the logo color, I decided I didn't want to put this in anymore. No, I'm just gonna throw this away because I really wanted that goddess thing where, you know, where you have all the calls hanging. But I just thought again, like, that does not really fit my lifestyle now, because with all of this curly earring, it might be hard to manage. So I'm like, let me just stick with these, and the curls on the end will be the only thing I have to deal with. So here's the style, and I'll say thank you for watching this video. Thank you.